What's up, guys, and welcome back to the Fathead Cycles YouTube channel. Today we're back on the 2019 Electra Glide Standard that we put our complete audio bundle into in the last video. If you haven't seen it, check out the card up top. Today we're bringing it all the way up, putting hand controls on it so that way you have full control of your head unit while you're riding down the road. How are we going to do that? We're going to add these Harley-Davidson lighted handlebar control switches. Why are we putting lighted switches on a Electra Glide Standard? Well, this part retails for about $250, and the factory switch packs that are non-lighted retail for $250 a side. You get two for $250 or one for $250. Take your pick. So let's get over to the motorcycle, get everything apart, see what we can make happen. We're going to start on the left-hand switch pack. That is where the majority of everything is going to happen. We're going to remove the odometer switch, and the two screws and the faceplate is going to pop right off. We're going to take our plastic pry tool. You can use a flathead screwdriver. We like plastic pry tools because they don't mark anything up. And you're gently going to twist and rotate it out. Comes off, gets out of the side. Two T25 fasteners, one here, one off the frame on the bottom, directly in line with the top fastener. These screws will stay in the rear switch housing. Off that comes. We've moved the customer's mirror out of the way just so that you guys get a better view. We're going to loosen up the two T27 fasteners that hold the clutch master cylinder in place. Grab the switch housing, rock it back and forth to separate it. And then to prevent it from spinning, I always like to just snug up the top one. Now, our rear housing is going to slide off. There's a black plastic retention clip next to the white factory clip right here. We're going to take our plastic pry tool and separate those two. The switch pack opens up and will then come free. We now need to remove the factory wiring from the switch pack itself, and that's done by depressing this tab and slide this out. So here we have our two switch packs, both for the left side. This is the one that came factory on your 2019 Electra Glide Standard. This is the lighted set from Harley-Davidson. You can see the only difference is you have a little talking guy here, and then right here you don't have a switch, and that's what you need to control your audio, and that's this button here. So let's slide this on real quick. We're not going to fully install it with the switch pack housing, but we're going to test it out. The install is simple. Take your factory connector, plug it into the factory housing till you hear a snap. Then we're going to route our wires through the wiring channel here. Gets twisted down and gently lays into a channel on the master cylinder side. Harley provides you with two different button options. In case you have a trike, you have a horn and a horn with reverse. We just have the horn button, so we're simply going to place it on, push it till it snaps in. Hand controls are installed. Need to program our module to interface with our hand controls. This is included pre-wired in all of our bundles. You have two ports here on the module. You have a reset port, and then you have a light port. We're going to press and hold for 3 seconds. Release. We have a rapid red and green, and then we're going to press our volume control up, 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 up. We're going to continue doing that until the lights start blinking green, and they did. Should blink red, solid red. We should have handlebar controls now. Alright guys, so there it is. Hand controls for your audio system on your 2019 Electra Glide Standard. You may have noticed that I did not completely reassemble the left side switch pack. Installation is directly the same, reverse of disassembly, and the same principles apply to doing the throttle side as the clutch side. So if you guys can get your hand controls working, you can definitely close this job out. We're going to offer this as part of our 2019 Electra Glide Standard audio bundle, so you can get those bundles with or without the hand controls. Yeah, stop by our website www.fatheadcycles.com under the audio section to check it out. Make sure you subscribe. Check us out on our socials, Facebook and Instagram. Until next time guys, thanks for watching.